Friday, February 10th, Super Bowl weekend. Got your snacks, got the big TV. You ready? Hunker down and cheer for either the Eagles or the Chiefs. So there you go. It'll be a game. All right, I promised you whenever I wore that capelet, that multicolored capelet, I promised you I would get you the pattern, and I forgot. It's kind of the way my life goes. But anyway, I remembered. So it is the Watson capelet. Watson capelet. It's with bulky yarn. The pattern is written by Karen Marlotte, and I frankly don't know if I paid for it or not. But anyway, that's it. The Watson capelet, easy, quick. It was very fun to do, and it's very comfortable to wear. So, cozy. I'm not a huge sweater person, so just to have something over your shoulders is really good. All right, got this back in stock. I bragged about this after our trip on the sailboat. The Cocoa Knits Maker's Board. The Maker's Board. It's all magnetic, it's thin, it folds, everything goes in it like that. It comes in a beautiful muslin bag. It has all these magnets that come with it, right? And we also have the needle gauge and the ruler that also go with it, and they too are magnetic, so it will hold your pattern on. The ruler and the needle gauge are 17, and the Maker's Board is 40. We got them back in stock. Happy day. They seem to be very popular, and I highly recommend them. All right. So I've told you about the capelet. I've told you about that. I got in a new yarn for us today, and I've looked it up on Ravelry. There are 73 projects on Ravelry, and on the Lang website, there are 22 pattern possibilities. So lots of possibilities. It really is beautiful. I did not buy the whole color spectrum. I bought the pastels because I think they're lovely. This is Lang Lotus by Lang. Lotus yarn. And it is, well, it's 1850 per skein. It is 60 cotton and 40 cashmere. And the swatch that was knit up was just ethereal. It was so beautiful. It's a little thick thin, so it's kind of slubby. The white is the cotton, and the color is the cashmere. It is really beautiful. There are 220 yards in a ball for 1850. So this is the gray, which I think is very pretty. This is the tan for all you neutrals out there. The tan. This is peach, very peachy, pretty color. I'm telling you, the swatch was so gorgeous. I see it as a shawl. I mean, there's tees, there's shawls, there's sweaters, there's a vest, there's all kinds of things out of it. This blue is beautiful, very soft, light blue. And last but not least, for my pink pals, this beautiful pink. So, Lotus. Fun, not a huge project maybe. I don't know. But absolutely gorgeous to feel and to see finished. Gorgeous. All right. I fulfilled my obligations. The Watson cowl. We got in the Cocoa Knits. I showed you a new yarn. We're going to take some extra markdowns. The sale is about to end. So pop in and see what we have taken back down again. We're sort of at the bitter end, but come on in. There's still some yarn left. I think right now that's it. Don't forget about the sale is still going on for the needle sets. That's until midnight Tuesday on Valentine's Day. And you can still do the Galentine gift certificate. Love yourself, buy 100 and get a 25, or buy a 50 and get a 15. So you can give the other one away, or you can just give yourself a little bonus. It's free money, right? Okay, I think that's it. I'll chat with you tomorrow.